Some money advice sounds responsible. Save a little, buy the house, finance the car, use the rewards card. But in today's economy, normal choices can slow your progress toward financial flexibility, while still looking responsible from the outside. Subscribe and turn on notifications for educational practical finance breakdowns that make the math easier. Section 1. Same income, different money scripts. Let's compare Olivia and Ryan. Both are 32. Same city, same income, around $85,000 a year. They simply follow two different money scripts. Olivia saves around 10%, finances a newer SUV, buys a home because renting feels wrong, uses an advisor, and puts expenses on a rewards card. Ryan saves closer to 35%, drives a used paid-off sedan, rents until buying makes sense, invests through broad, low-cost funds, and treats rewards as a bonus, not a reason to spend. From the outside, Olivia looks ahead. House, nice car, adult decisions. Ryan may look like he is delaying life, but money does not care what looks responsible. It cares what compounds. Section 2. Saving 10% moves slowly. The first common rule is save 10%. It sounds mature. It sounds disciplined. The U.S. personal saving rate was 4.0% in February 2026, according to BEA. So saving 10% is more than many households save. But for faster financial flexibility, 10% may still move slowly. Olivia saves what is left after life happens. Ryan saves first, then builds life around what remains. Same income, different order. If saving happens last, lifestyle usually wins. If saving happens first, wealth has room to grow. Section 3. Buying is not always better. The next common rule is renting is throwing money away. In some markets, buying makes sense. In others, renting and investing, the difference can be reasonable. Realtor.com reported that in March 2026, buying a starter home across the top 50 metros cost about $920 more per month than renting. That does not mean nobody should buy. It means the math matters. Olivia buys because ownership feels like the adult move, but the payment stretches her. Then taxes rise, insurance rises, repairs show up. Suddenly, the house controls more cash flow. Ryan rents because the numbers do not work yet. He is not against home ownership. He is against bad timing. A house can build wealth, but buying too early, too stretched, or in the wrong market can limit flexibility for years. Section 4. Small fees can become large. Olivia's advisor charges 1%. That sounds small, but 1% of a portfolio charged every year for decades can become meaningful. Every dollar paid in fees is a dollar that no longer compounds for you. Ryan uses broad, low-cost funds, simple, boring, lower cost. Some people benefit from professional planning for taxes, estate issues, retirement planning, or complex situations. But paying high fees for basic investing may reduce long-term results. The question is not, do I have help? The question is this help worth the cost after compounding? If this is giving you clarity, tap like, so more people can question common money rules. Section 5. Rewards can encourage extra spending. Credit card rewards sound like free money. Use the card, earn points, pay it off, and win. And yes, if you pay in full and control spending, rewards can be useful. But the system works because payment often feels painless. Olivia uses her rewards card for everything. Groceries, gas, subscriptions, random Target runs that become $140. She tells herself she is earning points, but points can be small compared with the extra spending they may encourage. In February 2026, the Federal Reserve showed the average interest rate on credit card accounts assessed interest was about 21.5%. A 2% reward is not a win if it encourages extra spending or creates high-interest debt. Ryan uses rules. No balance, no impulse upgrades, no spending just because points exist. The card is a tool, not a permission slip. Section 6. Normal spending can look successful. Normal feels safe. Your neighbor has the SUV. Your coworker bought the house. Your cousin has the advisor. So when you do the same things, it can feel like you are on track. But most of what you see is spending. You do not see savings rates, credit card balances, retirement gaps, or the pressure behind the kitchen renovation. Olivia looks successful because her money is visible. Ryan looks ordinary because his money is working quietly in accounts nobody sees. Invisible money is still money. In many cases, it may be the most useful kind. Section 7. Financial calm starts with cushion. A lot of people chase income because they want peace, but peace often starts smaller than people think. Vanguard research found that, among the investors it studied, having at least $2,000 in emergency savings was associated with a 21% higher financial well-being score. That is not a mansion, not a luxury car, not a perfect portfolio, just a cushion. Ryan builds that cushion early, then he invests. Olivia earns well, but her bills expanded around her income. So when something breaks, she feels pressure. The less common path may not look richer first, it often feels calmer first. And calm decisions usually beat rushed decisions. Section 8. Build a better money system. So what does Ryan actually do? He saves before spending, keeps housing below the maximum a bank may approve, buys transportation, not status, invests automatically into broad, low-cost funds, checks fees, treats raises as fuel for flexibility, not automatic lifestyle upgrades. This is not extreme, it is just uncommon. He still eats out, still travels, still enjoys life, but long-term goals come first, and lifestyle gets what remains. Olivia does the opposite. Lifestyle gets first claim, and saving gets the leftovers. That one difference can create a large gap over decades. Not because Ryan is smarter, not because Olivia is careless, because one system compounds more efficiently and the other may leak cash flow. Section 9. Change one money rule first. The goal is not to shame anyone. Many common money rules were built for a different economy. Homes were cheaper, cars were simpler, pensions were more common, fees were harder to see. But in 2026, many people may benefit from updated rules. Start with 1. Raise your savings rate by 1%. Keep your next car longer. Compare renting versus buying with real numbers. Review investment fees. Build your first $2,000 cushion. Pause before using rewards as a reason to spend. You do not need to become extreme tomorrow. You just need to stop letting normal make every decision for you. Normal money advice is not always wrong, but it can be outdated, expensive, and incomplete. The real goal is not to look responsible. The real goal is to build options, reduce pressure, and create financial flexibility. Saving 10% may be slower than expected for ambitious financial goals. Renting is not always throwing money away. Small investment fees can become large over time. Financial security often starts with cash flow, savings, and options. I'm curious to hear from you. Which common money rule do you question the most? Would you rather look wealthy or build more financial options? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.